Ramdam naman ngayon ng mga taga-Toronto ang diwa ng Pasko sa isang Christmas market kung saan maagang sinimulan ng mga mamimili ang kanilang holiday shopping. Naritong report ni Teresa Redula.
Muling binuksan nitong weekend sa Toronto ang event na Holiday Hills, isang winter festival tampok ang mga pagkain, tugtugin at shopping. Dito sa Stack Market, sinimulan ng mga mamimili ang kanilang holiday shopping. Market na kanilang binabalik-balikan kada taon.
Maraming mga decoration maganda para sa Pasko. Maganda naman yung atmosphere dito. Masaya, very Instagrammable or pang TikTok.
Tampok ang mahigit 100 local makers. Isa na raw ito sa kanilang naging pinakamalaking vendors market. Mula baked goods hanggang handmade gifts at curated pop-ups.
We do a lot of our programming for the community. Wednesdays, we have a regular trivia night that goes on. We have live music and carolers every Friday. Sundays, we really blow it out for families to come, so we have a lot of children's programming.
Sa kanilang opening weekend, naging bahagi rin dito ang Barkada Holiday Market na mayroon ding higit 35 vendors na sinusuportahan din ng Asian-owned businesses at local artists.
We haven't bought anything yet, but lots of interesting shopping. The store over there with all of the cool Christmas stuff and the ornaments and everything, love it.
We've been here a few times.
Yeah, we've been here a couple times.
It's nice that there's always something new here to come check out, and then you kind of have the balance of that with shops that have been here from the start. We usually go check out that vintage market there, and then the brewery further down the back, and
the pickleball court that's usually here during the summer and stuff. And there's rotating shops in these spots here, so it's nice.
Yeah, it's nice that there's always something to enjoy here, but then there's always the new stuff that comes in and out. Just keeps things interesting.
Tampok din sa Winter Wonderland ang ilang immersive installations, kabilang ang 120-foot tunnel of lights, winter patios, live music at ang holiday tree. Pero diin ng organizers, sa puso ng kanilang event, suporta para sa lokal na business community.
We give them, the exposure, the tools to, make their business grow.
We're really excited to bring our Canadian brand here, and we were noticing that a lot of people coming to our Queen West store weren't necessarily familiar with our brand, and we're just really excited to spread more awareness to that.
Bagamat malayo-layo pa ang araw ng Pasko, ikinatuwa ng mga dumalo ang tila maagang pamaskong handog ng vendors market. Handog ang Christmas spirit sa Toronto.
I wasn't when I woke up this morning, but now that I'm here, I am for sure. I don't think I realized they were doing a Christmas market this early in the year. I mean, it's only the 15th of November, so it's nice to be in the Christmas spirit.
We're always looking for cool stuff to do in Toronto, and this just opened yesterday or today, so yeah, so excited to come and explore.
Tatagal ang Holiday Hills hanggang December 28. Teresa Redula, Omni News, Toronto.